Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all body combos that you can make use of, that is soap and body lotion combos that you can make use of, that will offer you anti-aging skin benefits when it comes to getting rid of age spots on your skin, promoting that healthy, youthful, glowing skin. So the first combo on my list is the Skin White Kojic acid plus retinol body soap. We'll be combining this soap with the Advanced Clinicals retinol cream. Now, starting with this soap, we know that this soap is a very popular soap, and I think it's mostly known for its papaya variant. They have a lot of variants of this Skin White soap, but the one I'm going to be talking about in this video is their Kojic acid plus retinol body soap. This is another very effective soap from Skin White brand. As a matter of fact, making use of this soap will give you that anti-aging benefits and treatment benefits, and most especially the treatment aspect. Yes, because just as their other variants, like their papaya variant, is so good when it comes to brightening the skin, this one will also help you to treat your skin. Like, it will help you to treat certain skin concerns like uneven skin complexion, a dull looking skin. Let's say you want your skin to be looking more youthful, you want to target the appearance of age spots on your skin, like you want your skin to be getting that anti-aging skin benefits, then this soap will literally give you all these benefits. Now, this soap contains some certain key ingredients, and some of these key ingredients, the first one is retinol. Now, retinol, of course, is an anti-aging skincare ingredient. So the presence of this retinol will help you to improve your skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on your skin, and thereby promoting a youthful and a radiant skin finish. Now, another ingredient that is found in this soap is kojic acid. Yes, as the name goes, kojic acid plus retinol. Now, the kojic acid in this soap is very good to treat dark spots, pigmentation, discoloration on your skin. That's the reason why I said that making use of this soap will be so good. Like, it's a very effective treatment soap that you can literally make use of. Now, imagine this soap contains kojic acid. This soap also contains retinol, and then another ingredient that is found in this soap is niacinamide. Is niacinamide, which we know that it is a very good brightening ingredient. So this niacinamide will help you to brighten your skin. Because of niacinamide that is found in this soap, it makes this soap good for people that has acne prone skin. Yes, and this niacinamide will also help you to improve your skin texture. Now imagine the presence of niacinamide in this soap, kojic acid in this soap, and also retinol in this soap. 3 active ingredients. If you don't know, retinol is also a good ingredient when it comes to reducing the appearance of pigmentation on the skin. Now, these 3 active ingredients will help you to target and reduce the appearance of pigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone on your skin. It will give you a brighter looking skin, and as it's doing this, it will still help you, it will still give your skin those anti-aging skin benefits. So the first benefit is anti-aging benefits, the second one is treatment of dark spots and discoloration on the skin, the third benefit is brightening up the skin and getting rid of a dull looking skin. So if you have a dull looking skin, this soap will be very perfect. And then another one is this soap will help you to reduce the appearance of acne scars on the body. Now, I forgot to mention that this combination I'm going to be giving to you, a combination that you mostly make use of only at night. Okay, like this soap, now even if you don't want to pair this soap with any other product, I will still advise you to make use of this soap at night. It contains retinol in it, it contains several other actives in it, and also only make use of this soap on your body to avoid unnecessary irritation from this soap. This soap is actually good for all skin types. Like I said, make use of this soap on your body to be on the safer side. Now, the combination, like the product we're going to be combining this soap with to give you that better anti-aging skin benefits. If you want your skin to be looking beautiful, if you want your skin to be glowing, if you want your skin to be looking radiant, so healthy, another combination we'll be bringing in, like we'll be pairing with this powerful soap, is the Advanced Clinicals retinol cream. Yes, this is a very popular skincare product, and it is also very popular with their vitamin C body lotion. Now, this one is their retinol body lotion, which is very, very good. This cream was specifically specifically formulated to target and reduce the visible signs of skin aging, and also improving or promoting the skin's moisture barrier. What I'm trying to say is that, first of all, it will help you to moisturize your skin. It is a very nice moisturizing cream that you can make use of. It will help you to moisturize your skin. It will help you to treat and prevent the appearance of dryness on your skin. And one of the reasons why you might be having, let's say your skin is not glowing, you don't have that youthful looking skin, or maybe your skin, like you're having premature aging on your body skin, one of the reasons is because your skin is not well moisturized. The moisture barrier of your skin is so weak. Yes, because when your skin is always dry, dehydrated, you will notice the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles will begin to form on your skin. And that is the reason why this soap is here. Sorry, this cream is here for you. That's the reason why this advanced clinicals cream is here for you, because as it is helping you to moisturize your skin, treating dryness on your skin, it will in return help you, the retinol in it will return help you to target the visible signs of aging, like fine lines, wrinkles on your skin, and it will help you to get rid of that. Now, when you bring in this cream, this advanced clinicals cream, when you pair it up with the soap, these two combination will help you to brighten your skin. These two combination will help you, it will give you that healthy, youthful looking skin. It will help you to glow up your skin. If you're having uneven skin complexion, the both of them will work perfectly together to help you to brighten up your skin. It will help you to promote that radiant looking skin. So this is one of the very, very good pairing, or one of the very good combo that you can make use of. Now, moving on to the next combination on my list, and that is from the Medix 5.5 brand. I was lucky I was able to get their soap, so I decided to pair two products from the Medix brand. So the first one is the Medix 5.5 Retinol plus Ferulic acid body soap and their body lotion. I think the one that is very popular that a lot of people knows about is their body lotion. Yes, but do you know that they also have body soap? Yes, they actually have body soap. Now, these benefits, like the benefits that these two will give to you when you combine the both of them together, like the soap is very wonderful, the body lotion is very wonderful. If you don't know about the body lotion, it is a very good, and some people swear that their retinol body lotion is literally better than their vitamin C body lotion. Like, based on some people's reviews, they will say their retinol body lotion is better than the vitamin C body lotion. But the both of them are very good. Like, let's just come back to what we are talking about. We are talking about their retinol body lotion. So their retinol body lotion is very nice. Okay, it's when it comes to targeting or reducing the visible signs of age spots on your skin, or the visible signs of aging on your skin. It will really help you to combat all those. Their body lotion, or these two combination, will actually help you to brighten up your skin. So the reason why I'm not going in depth to talk about them individually, like the one I mentioned earlier, is because this is from the same brand. They are basically going to give you like almost the same benefits. Like the benefit the soap is going to give to you is the same benefit the lotion is going to give to you. The only thing there is that the reason why I now combine the both of them is because when you bring in these two powerful things, like where the soap, soap is something that you wash off from your body. Let's say even if you leave it for your body for like some minutes, you still have to wash it off. You cannot keep soap on your body for the rest of the day. So when you wash off the soap from your body, you now bring in the lotion. The lotion is now something that will remain on your body throughout the whole night, maybe until when you're ready to do your daytime skincare routine, before you now need to wash it off from your body again. So that's the reason why I'm bringing the both of them together in today's video, because when you use the soap and use the body lotion together, it's like you're getting ×2 of the benefits. Just imagine, like, you're using a body lotion that is giving you wonderful benefits, and then somebody tells you that, do you know that this body lotion you're using, you can literally get the ×2 of it in this other lotion. That's just how it is. So using the soap and the body lotion together means that you're getting ×2 of the benefits you're going to get in each of them. It will help you to brighten your skin. It will help you to get rid of fine lines, wrinkles on your skin. It will help you to reduce the appearance of age spots on your skin. It will literally glow up your skin. The two of them will help you to moisturize your skin. The soap is not stripping of moisture. The lotion on its own actually adds moisture, like moisturizing benefits to the skin. These two combinations are good for all skin types. These two combinations should only be used used on the body. Okay, it should only be used on the body, and it should only be used in the night time. So this is another good combination that you can make use of if you know you're looking to get more benefits, like more anti-aging benefits. Maybe you want to make your skin look more youthful, you want to get rid of premature aging on your skin. Now moving on to the next combination on my list. So the products we're going to be combining for this combination is the Elizabeth Arden 2-in-1 age defying soap, and with the Olay Retinol 24 plus vitamin B3 body lotion. You might not see this soap everywhere, or this might even be the first time you're hearing about this soap, but from the reviews people have been giving about this soap, they've been saying that this soap is a very nice soap that you can make use of, and that's the reason why I had to bring in this soap in today's video. So first off, this soap is very nice when it comes to enhancing your natural skin complexion. So whether you're dark, fair, caramel skin, whether you're dark skin, fair skin, caramel skin, or whatever, this soap will help you to enhance your natural skin complexion, which means if you have a dull fair skin, or you have a dull caramel skin, or you have a dull dark skin, making use of this soap will help you to brighten, enhance, okay, brighten your skin, your natural skin complexion. Now this soap is also an antiseptic soap, and it is also an exfoliating bar soap. And another thing again is that this soap literally offers anti-aging benefits to the skin. Yes, it is an exfoliating soap, an anti-aging soap, and it is also an antiseptic soap. Now quickly, let's go through the benefits of this soap. The first benefit is that it will help you to brighten up your skin. Like I said, if you have a dull looking skin, this is a very good brightening soap that will help you to brighten your skin. It will help you to combat or get rid of dullness on your skin, like improve your skin's radiance. This soap will also leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. So in general, this is a nice soap that you can lay your hands upon. You can buy this soap and it will be very nice for your skin. So the combination, the lotion we are going to be So the lotion we are going to be combining with this soap is the Olay Retinol 24 plus B3 lotion. So the first thing is that pairing this lotion, this Olay lotion, with the Elizabeth Arden soap will give you a better result when it comes to anti-aging. It's formulated with retinoid complex in it, and it is also formulated with vitamin B3, which is niacinamide in it. The combination of these two ingredients will help you to brighten your skin. It will help you to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on your skin, and it will also help you to improve your overall skin texture. So bringing this lotion and the soap together will give you a better result. It will give you a faster result, like where the soap cannot finish up one thing, the body lotion will complement it, or where the body lotion cannot get a job done, the soap will also complement it. So when you bring the both of them together, you will get a better benefit, like in terms of brightening the skin and also giving you that youthful and healthy looking skin. Now from these three combinations, personally, if you ask me what best combination should I go for, I will say that if your main focus is to give you that youthful looking skin, like anti-aging, maybe that is the main focus, I would say you should go for the Medix combination. That is their Medix soap, the Retinol and Ferulic soap, and also their body lotion combination. But if your main focus is like treatment, and you also want anti-aging benefits, as it is also treating maybe discoloration on your skin, brightening and glowing up your skin, then I'll say you should go with the Skin White soap together with the Advanced Clinicals body lotion. But in all, everything is good. You can just go for any one that you want, and that is literally three good body care combination, that is soap and body lotion combination, that you can make use of to achieve that healthy, radiant, youthful looking skin. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed my video, please give my video a very big thumbs up. Okay, please like my videos. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when next I drop amazing content like this. So my loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.